Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Klein, and I'm going to be teaching you your lesson for this week for math. Alright, so today we're going to talk about division models. Last week we learned about multiplication models where you could have repeat addition, and in your study island lesson you would have seen that there was groups, equal groups of, and that we can have repeat addition, equal groups, we could do fair sharing. So this time we're going to talk about division models today. So the highly proficient student can interpret quotients. Quotient is your answer to division of whole numbers within 100 by representing context using pictures, numbers, and words. So today I can solve a division problem by creating reverse array and groups of fair sharing. So what are the specific names for the numbers in this multiplication problem? What would these two numbers be considered? Besides being number 4 and a 3, both of these are considered as being called factors. And when we have factors, our answer is called the product. Okay, so factors and our product. So a division problem has different parts with individual names. Here we have remember we called this our quotient at the beginning. I said that would be our division answer is called the quotient. And then our 12 in this case is called our dividend. And then the 3 is called the divisor. We're going to divide this 3 into the 12, the bigger number. So the dividend is the number that you are dividing up. Your divisor is the number that you're going to divide by. And then our quotient is the answer to the division problem. When solving a division problem, you can use the dividend and the divisor to help you model the equation for the quotient. So identify the dividend, the divisor, and the quotient. So think for a minute what this one would be. And it's kind of nice because in here it's pink and so is our word dividend, kind of help you out. So this is the dividend. The 6 is in purple or blue, and so that's the divisor. And then our quotient, the answer, is in this pretty lime green, the quotient. Dividend, 18. 6 is the divisor, and 3 is the quotient. So the first thing we're going to talk about is reverse array. We have 18 divided by 3. We need to figure out what our answer is. So first, start by making columns using the divisor. Okay, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to keep doing this until I have 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18 stars. That's my big number here. And I'm going to make sure that I have all of those in there. So 2, making columns of 3 until you reach 18. So this is a column going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 3 rows, so this is actually should be turned the other way to make it columns. So I have 18 stars altogether. 3, count the number of columns you made to find the quotient. So how many columns did I say I had? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So that my answer would have been 6. My quotient was 6. Let's practice making reverse arrays. So 15 divided by 5. So I'm going to take and make, whoops, oh they did it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I keep doing this until I have 15. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have all of them, and I've made 5 in each one. Now how many columns do I have going down? 1, 2, 3. So my answer, my quotient, is going to be 3. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Now I have another problem here, 21 divided by 3. So I'm going to be doing 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I'm done. Now I get to count how many columns I have going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here, 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 16 divided by 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, you take this number and that's how many you're going to do. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm done. Now I'm going to count how many columns I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 16 divided by 4 equals 4. And you might remember that 4 times 4 equals 16. I can write it backwards like that. It doesn't change it at all. Okay, I'm going to erase this. We can go on to our next slide. Okay, groups of fair sharing is the next type of model we're going to talk about. So I have 18 divided by 3. First, we're going to circle the divisor and make that many groups. So we're circling our divisor, it's the 3, and we're going to make that many groups. 1, 2, 3. That easy. 2, we're going to pass out the dividend equally. It reminds me if you might have had some candies and you have 3 friends, and you're going to take 18 of those candies and you're going to start giving 1 to this person, 1 to this person, 1 to this person to keep it equal and keep it fair. That's why they call it fair sharing. And you keep going until you get to 18. So let's watch how this goes. Okay, we're counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. Each one has 2, 4, but we keep going until we get to 18, and we shared all of those equally. So did I do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. They're all been shared equally. Count how many is in just one of those groups for my quotient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each one got 6. So my answer, my quotient is 6. So that would equal 6. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Okay, so let's practice some groups or fair sharing. So we have 21 divided by 3. How many circles will I make? 3. Then we're going to share them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So, and I only count one circle to get my quotient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 21 divided by 3 equals 7. Let's try now. Divided by 4. How many circles will I make? 4. And each one's going to get 1 until they're all equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then to get my quotient, I only count one of the circles. Doesn't matter which one. 1, 2, 3. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Okay, 15 divided by 5. How many circles will I make to share this with? 5 of them. This time I'm going to mark it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I've shared them all. I only count one circle. 1, 2, 3. So 15 divided by 3, or 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Think back. 5 times 3 equals 15. So that would be correct. All right. practice making reverse arrays and groups of fair sharing. So I have 12 divided by 2, 24 divided by 3, and 16 divided by 4. So we can do different ones we want to do here. We could do groups of fair sharing, so I'd have 2 circles here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 in each one. So there's my quotient. Groups fair sharing, I have 3 circles. If you have a lot like this, you might want to make them bigger, but we'll try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now find the one that looks like it's the neatest one to count all your dots in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Then I have 16 divided by 4. 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, whoops, 20. I'm going back. 1, 2, 3, 4. I went too far. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay, to do the reverse arrays takes a little more room, but I'm going to start with my 12 divided by 2. I'm going to make 2 rows, 1 or 2 going down until I get to 12. Remember? So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I count my rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I count my columns. So then I get 6 again. 16 divided by 4, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Counting my columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got the same quotient. 24 divided by 3. I'm going to have 3 going down. 1, 2, 3. And I keep going. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Checking to make sure I don't go too far. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. How many rows do I have? Columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, I've got the same quotient. So these are different ways you can do it. I call them strategies. You can figure out which one works best for you. It's like a tool in your toolbox, which is maybe easier or the one you understand better to find your quotient. Oh, we have one more. 25 divided by 5. Let's see. I think I'll do this one with fair sharing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Keep checking to see where you have to go to. Sometimes I go over, but I have to keep remembering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, 25 divided by 5 equals 5. And I know that's true because 5 times 5 equals 25. Okay. So, on your own, I want you to think about how you would model this 28 divided by 4 using one of those 2 ways that I just showed you, either using the equal fair sharing kind of thing, or you're going to take and put them into reverse arrays. So think about how you would do that, and then I'll show you what I would do. Okay, so we could do reverse arrays first and do 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm taking this number. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. How many columns do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or the other way, which was making our fair sharing, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. You have to be careful you don't put any of these lines together because it won't work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got the same quotient. Okay, so that concludes our lesson today. You're then going to go on to Study Island and you will work on your assignment for models of division. And then on Thursday, you'll have a quiz to see how well you do on those. All right, thank you.